What if the next war isn't fought with bullets and bombs, but with lines of code? Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the game, and militaries around the world are scrambling to develop autonomous weapons, drone swarms, and AI-powered decision-making systems. Today, we take a look at the future of warfare by exploring the top 8 military technologies of 2025. These new inventions are amazing and can change how wars are fought and how peace is kept. But before we start the video, hit the subscribe button and make sure to stick around. Number 8. Raytheon Intelligence and Space. Raytheon Intelligence and Space has a strong space-based missile warning system. The current system, the Space-Based Infrared System or SBIRS, helps the US with missile warnings. However, new threats and challenges in space mean we might need a better system with layers in different orbits. Today, there are several trends in space-based missile warning. One big trend is upgrading the SBIRS. Earlier this year, the U.S. Space Force launched the 5th SBIRS satellite into a special orbit around Earth. The next step for the Defense Department is to create a missile warning system with layers in low Earth orbit or LEO, and medium Earth orbit, also called MEO. This new system will work with SBIRS and the next generation of infrared payloads in special orbits around the Earth and poles. A multi-layered system in different orbits can be used for many space-based tasks. It will help the U.S. space operations handle potential threats from other powerful countries. Number 7. Next Generation Body Armor. Next on our list is Next Generation Body Armor. This new armor isn't just an upgrade, it's a big step into the future of personal protection. Scientists and engineers are working hard to create these advanced suits using new materials and designs. For example, some versions of this armor are made to soak up and spread out the force from bullets. It helps reduce how much the person wearing it gets hurt. These armors also block bits of metal and keep soldiers safe from the shock waves from bombs, which are a big danger in modern wars. Even though these armors provide much more protection, the main goal is to make them weigh less. This is really important so that soldiers can move fast and feel good while they're fighting. Number 6. Vapor. This year, Vapor engineers made a different kind of helicopter for the military. It's electric and smaller than normal, but it can fly for a long time, between 70 and 105 minutes depending on how it's set up. That's a big improvement over drones that usually only fly for about 40 minutes. One thing about this helicopter is it can make 3D maps of the ground as it flies. Other than that, its features are pretty normal. It can carry a load of stuff from 4.5 to 10 kilograms, and it has a camera that's as good as the DJI Mavic 3 camera. But there's a problem. Carrying all that stuff on a helicopter makes it easy for enemies to see and attack. It's safer to use this helicopter to move around in a big tough vehicle, like the Toyota Land Cruiser, especially in dangerous places. Number 5. Robotics. The military is focusing more on artificial intelligence and robots. The market for military robots is expected to grow to $24.2 billion by 2025, with a big yearly increase. For example, the MQ-25 Stingray drone is a robot plane that can refuel itself. In just 6 years, the U.S. Army increased its spending on robots from $17 million to $379 million. Now they're thinking about making a whole group of robots called a platoon. Robots are useful in battles because they can do risky jobs without risking people's lives. They also have abilities that people don't have, like staying awake all day and night, seeing in all directions, and quickly understanding information. At Tyndall Air Force Base, robot dogs guard the area. These dogs can climb stairs, go underwater almost 5 feet, and get back up if they fall. They've also been used at the US-Mexico border and the Portland Air National Guard base. Some people are worried about robots with weapons. Some countries like New Zealand and Austria want to stop the production of these kinds of robots. However, the United States and other countries already use robots, and they need a person to control them. Number 4. Water from Air System, or WFAS. The water from air system is a revolutionary technology designed to produce drinking water directly where it's needed, reducing the need to transport water over long distances. This system is particularly valuable in military operations, providing commanders the flexibility to produce potable water at the front line. WFAS extracts water from atmospheric humidity using a unit mounted on a 7.5-ton trailer, capable of generating up to 500 gallons of water daily. Smaller versions can also be mounted on existing platforms for enhanced mobility. One of WFAS's key advantages is its efficiency in water production relative to fuel consumption. It achieves an output of 5 gallons of water for every gallon of fuel used. This efficiency results in an impressive 80% reduction in the transportation requirements associated with water support, thereby reducing the logistical burden on military operations. Deploying the WFAS on the battlefield has the potential to significantly reduce or even eliminate the need for bulk water distribution within modular brigades, thereby cutting down on bottled water requirements as well. By enabling continuous water production in situ, WFAS enhances operational endurance and extends the reach of military forces without relying on external water sources. Number 3. Cybersecurity. In today's world, cybersecurity is crucial for national security. Military experts classify cyber warfare as operating within the gray zone, the space between routine operations and conventional warfare, involving soldiers on the ground. This type of warfare differs greatly from traditional battles because of its ambiguity and attackers' ability to deny involvement, making it challenging for defense officials to prevent and respond to cyber attacks swiftly. Cyber attacks have grown increasingly severe in recent years, posing threats to citizens and causing significant disruptions. For instance, in 2021, hackers targeted a Florida water plant, attempting to contaminate drinking water with harmful chemicals. Cyber terrorists, possibly acting on behalf of foreign governments or independently, have also demonstrated the capability to disable critical infrastructure, such as electric grids and communication systems. Experts warn that disabling as few as 9 substations could shut down the U.S. electric grid. Looking ahead, cybersecurity threats are expected to worsen. By 2025, experts predict that cyber attackers may weaponize operational technology to directly harm or even kill people. This alarming trend underscores the urgent need for robust cybersecurity measures. The military is actively responding by increasing its focus on cybersecurity. The U.S. Marine Corps, for example, has introduced new cyber-focused roles, like interactive on-net operator and exploitation analyst. Additionally, U.S. Cyber Command, now an independent military command, has expanded to include over 6,000 personnel dedicated to defending against and potentially launching cyber operations. To bolster defenses, U.S. Cyber Command seeks to raise its annual budget to $1.1 billion. This funding aims to enhance personnel training, operational support, and intelligence capabilities, enabling strategic targeting of cyber adversaries. These efforts are crucial to safeguarding national security in an increasingly digital world. Number 2. Immersive Technology. Immersive technologies like virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR are revolutionizing military training and mission planning. VR, used by startups such as GovRed, creates synthetic training environments or STE using HTC Vive headsets. These environments run scenarios at high speeds, allowing soldiers to interact within a 25 square meter area, improving their readiness with realistic combat simulations and firearms training. On the other hand, AR, as developed by companies like Red 6, equips soldiers with wearable glasses or headsets that provide real-time data overlays. It includes mapping information and movement markers, aiding ground forces in making swift decisions during missions. Red 6's Airborne Tactical Augmented Reality System, or ATARS, combines AR with artificial intelligence, enabling pilots and ground operators to visualize virtual threats in real-world settings. It enhances their training by integrating virtual and constructive elements into outdoor environments, preparing them for complex air combat scenarios. Overall, these immersive technologies enhance training realism and improve mission planning by offering 3D terrain maps and simulated environments. They contribute to soldiers' preparedness and effectiveness in various military operations, ensuring that they are well equipped to handle real-world challenges effectively. Number 1. Self-steering bullets. A new type of .50 caliber bullet is being developed with tiny sensors that allow it to change direction quickly while flying through the air. This innovation could give even average shooters the accuracy of a sniper, making it easier to hit moving targets. Though the exact cost is unknown, these bullets are expected to be more affordable than rocket-propelled missiles. DARPA, working on the Exacto project in partnership with Teledyne Technologies and Orbital ATK, has not disclosed how the bullet adjusts its flight path. Meanwhile, researchers at the Department of Energy's Sandia Labs take a different approach. They use a laser to mark the target, and small fins on the bullet guide it toward the target while in flight. These advancements are significant because they enhance the effectiveness of military firepower without relying on expensive missile systems. By improving accuracy and reducing cost, these smart bullets could change how military operations are conducted. Overall, these developments highlight ongoing efforts by scientists and defense contractors to innovate in the field of military tech by 2025, ensuring that the military remains equipped with cutting-edge capabilities to address evolving threats and challenges. I hope you liked this video. Please share your thoughts about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.